Let's take a look at the capital planning module. Organizations are consistently reviewing their strategic plans and evaluating which additional facilities or construction they need to meet those goals. This can include building new hospitals to provide additional services in a certain area, or building new dormitories or classrooms to provide or increase the occupancy of students. Now, to align construction and those strategic goals, you need to be able to look at a view in planning that integrates funding, your schedule of when those facilities need to be delivered, and the resources that are going to go into managing and executing those projects. The other key thing here is that when you're putting this plan together, all of the different key stakeholders in your organization need to be able to go to a single source of truth for this plan and review and approve it together. So here within eBuilder Enterprise, we'll go to the Planning tab. We can then see different drafts of the plans that we've put together. Let's take a look at our next 5-year plan. When we initially open this up, we'll then be able to see each different fiscal year. We'll be able to see quarter by quarter as well as month by month. And then at the top, we can easily see our different funding sources, when that funding will be available. Then we can compare that to a view of active projects that are currently going on, as well as planned projects that we'd like to implement into the program. You can easily see on the timeline exactly where you'd like those projects to be. You can evaluate their duration and evaluate overlaps and see where cash flow is going to be, as well as resources that will have to be deployed from your staff in order to execute those projects. If you're bound by delivery dates, say for instance in a school year and must complete a project, you can take a look at where you put those projects on your timeline and when you have funding available in order to execute those.